Welcome back, guys. So today we will do an upgrade on our car from my first Lego build. So here's what you can do. First of all, you need some windows as usual. You place them right here, makes it really look good. And then on the same thing as the other side, for the back, we can use that for. But I will soon not add doors because it's really hard. I tried before I even made my YouTube channel, but it's really hard. And then we need some of these, and it will make it look good as well. And then you need another one, same thing as the side. And then on the sides, so it looks like a door, just we can use these little ones and place them on the sides, same thing as here. Wait a minute. You gotta leave space so it looks good, and it doesn't have any really good designs. But then we move on the front. You want to put some lights, and then it will make it really good. So then is like the and the second, you want to put these in the front, making like a little slope, same thing as the back. And after that, you want to just make like, if you want like some kind of supercar, you can place it right here. It'll make it look good. And same thing on the other side. So I just need to find. Wait a minute. Same thing as on the other side. Sorry, it kind of took long, but I couldn't find it. I'm gonna put it right here, and same thing on the other side, because it will make it like a wing. And there's a lot of wings to choose from, but I'm gonna choose this one because it kind of cuts out, making it a good wing. So that's so far it, but I'm still not done. For this, some on the front, because there's a lot of big gaps, and that makes it look ugly. We will just do some stuff on it. If you want, like as usual, like it's super fast, place that, and it's like where the smoke comes from. And then on the side, on behind it, you can add one of these 4 tiles, 2x2 tiles, and it looks really good. On the back, you really don't have enough room for rising, so I don't really prefer you to rise. For these 2 little gaps, we're just gonna use some little plates that will fill in the gaps, and the same thing on the other side. And that's it. So bye.